What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be discussing the Indian head scent. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so if you didn't know, the Indian head scent was produced by the U.S. Mint from 1859 to 1909. It was designed by James Barton Longacre, the chief engraver at the Philadelphia Mint. And as you can see right here, I have an 1860, 1890, I have an off-center 1902, and a 1908 Indian head scent. They're all in various conditions, but these can be very valuable coins if kept in really good condition, guys. I strongly advise adding these to your collection to get as many as you can over time, because they are also part of history and a great conversation piece. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and insert some recent sales on eBay for you guys to see just how much these coins are selling for. You can get up to thousands, guys, hundreds of thousands of dollars for Indian head scents in mint condition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.